Hello, Syllable here. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be building a home mortgage assistant that can help potential home buyers understand their financing options when looking to purchase a house. This can be useful for banks and other institutions that want to guide people through the process of purchasing a home. We'll also be building a tool that integrates with bankrate.com to look up the latest and best interest rates. And as usual, I'll be bouncing back and forth to our docs here. You can follow along at docs.syllable.ai under tutorials and select Home Mortgage Agent. Now with that out of the way, of course, we begin with our prompt. Head over to prompts and create a new prompt. I'm going to name this Home Mortgage Agent, keeping it nice and simple. The model will be OpenAI, GPT 4.1, and the latest version. For tools, we'll add the two standard ones, hang up and transfer. Then you want to add search current mortgage rate. This comes pre-installed for you to use, but of course you can build your own custom tool, and we provide the instructions to do so right here. And you can see that our tool is going to hit bankrate.com to do some searching. Now let's go back to prompt, copy this prompt here, and then paste it. Of course you can write your own for your own specific use case. An important thing to note in our prompt here is that we're telling this agent how to use this search mortgage agent tool to answer certain questions. Cool, let's save that. The next step is to create a message. Very familiar, of course. So let's go to messages in our docs and copy the message here. Back in console, go to messages and create a new message. Let's name our message, then paste the message from the doc. And of course, you can write your own message for your specific use case. Very easy, this one. Save it. Now, as usual, it's time to create your agent. So select Agents and press New Agent. Name it, select the appropriate prompt and message, which are the ones we just created. Choose your time zone. I'll select V2 and keyboard 1 for the busy sound. Then down here you can see the tools we've added. Tools with configuration will have our mortgage tool. What's configured in there is bankrate.com, since we are getting those interest rates on the fly. And then down here are the other two tools, hang up and transfer. Okay, once that's all looking nice and dandy, hit save. Now let's give our agent just a little test run. So I'll hit start session. I'll ask what the current interest rate is. All right, as you can see, the tool is working. The agent used the tool to search the current mortgage rate from bankrate.com, and these are the results it got back. Nice, this looks good to me. So let's head on over to the next step. I'm going to create a voice channel since this is a voice agent after all. So press New Channel, fill out the required fields. I'm going to blur the fallback number because I'll be using a personal one, and make sure you select the proper agent. And hit save. All right, now it's time for the big reveal. We're going to call our agent. And also make sure to stick around until the very end, because after the call, I'll show y'all our powerfully neat feature called Sessions. Alrighty, I'm gonna call the target number and let's see how it goes.
Ready to help you explore home mortgage options. I'm not a licensed loan officer, so everything we discuss is for education only. To get started, what purchase price are you considering?
1.7 million.
Thanks. What is the zip code of the property you're interested in?
94117.
Thank you. Are you looking to purchase this home or refinance an existing mortgage?
Purchase a home.
Got it. How much are you planning to put down as a down payment?
400,000.
Thank you. Will this be your primary residence, a second home, or investment property?
Primary residence.
Thanks. Which credit score range best describes you? Excellent, 6 plus, good, 759, fair, 667, 19, or something lower?
Excellent.
Great, thank you. What is your target closing date or ideal timeline for buying this home?
At the end of June.
Thank you. That's all I need. Would you like to see which loan options fit your situation?
I'd like to know an estimated monthly payment.
The current average 30-year fixed rate is around 7%. Rates vary by lender and can change daily. Would you like a monthly payment estimate for the 30-year fixed option? Or do you want to see other loan types?
30-year fixed option.
Here's a snapshot for a 30-year fixed-rate loan. Estimated payment would be roughly $8,650 per month. Would you like a brief pros and cons summary or look at another option?
Nope, that's it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you need more help with mortgage questions in the future, just reach out. Have a great day.
Awesome. I'd say that went pretty well. Now, before I leave you, let's go to sessions. Here you can see all the calls you've made. This is the one we just had. You can see that we've got a nice little AI summary here. Below that is the transcript. You can see everything the caller and your agent said. You've also got a downloadable recording you can listen to of the call. So yeah, pretty neat feature, I think. Hopefully this was another helpful tutorial for y'all. If you got any questions, please ask away in the comments. We'll answer them and we read everything. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Build AI agents for every idea.